Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So, it is New Year's Eve here at the Oasis. Got people coming over, so perfect time to try out some appetizers to see if they're going to be Super Bowl worthy, right? We did a previous episode on smoked cheeseburger sliders. This time we're doing smoked Tuscan cheesy bean dip. And also I'm using this as an opportunity to try out a theory. Been seeing on a lot of the pellet smoker blogs and groups that there's a bunch of people that swear by using a mixture of half wood pellets and half charcoal pellets. Now we've never used those charcoal pellets before, so this is also an experiment on that. So let's get going with that dip. First thing I'm going to do is behind me, I got a cast iron skillet. I'm going to get that on medium heat, and I'm going to take a pound of Italian sausage and one diced sweet onion and get those cooked together. Now, as always, all of the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions are down below in the description section. So really, same rules apply with every one of our videos. Don't listen to any amount that I say out loud, because a lot of times I am doubling or tripling the recipe because of all the people that are coming over to the Oasis. If you want to get it right, I put the recipe down there for you. For you. Because we care. Okay, so I'm going to get my Italian sausage browned up, my onions, and then the last minute, as soon as I have the last bit of pink gone in that sausage, I'm going to add the garlic, get that stirred in, and then we'll talk about the next step. We'll see you then. Okay, so pretty much all the pink is gone from the Italian sausage. Now I need to add the next ingredients. We're going to add some white wine, and then you'll see down in the description there's some Italian seasonings, salt, basil, oregano. You can use that and use those amounts. I do have some Cattleman's Grill Tuscan steak seasoning. That's what I'm going to use. I get this stuff with all my Cattleman stuff from All Things Barbecue, atbbq.com, out of Wichita, Kansas, where good people come from, like me. Alrighty, so I'm going to add this, I'm going to keep it on medium heat, and I'm going to cook it until the wine evaporates, and then we'll be ready for the next step. We'll see you then. So the wine is pretty much evaporated. Now, the next couple steps, I'm going to stir in an entire block of cream cheese until it melts, and then I'm going to add some baby spinach, some tomatoes, and some cannellini beans. Once I have that mixed up, then it's going to be time to take it out to the smoker. My smoker right now is set to 375 degrees. This will go out there for about 20 to 30 minutes, probably on the longer side, so make sure we get that good smoke flavor. So we'll see you once we get it back from the smoker. Stay tuned. All right, the vegetables are wilted. I gave you some hashtag fake news before I throw this on the smoker, set for 375 degrees. Gonna leave it out there for about 20 minutes. We need to hit it with some cheese. So I'm gonna take 1 cup of low moisture mozzarella, spread that over it. And we're gonna cover that with a ½ cup of shredded Parmesan, because you cannot be too cheesy. All right, that goes out to the smoker. About 20 minutes, 375. We'll see you after that. Okay, so the bean dip is in from being on the smoker for 20 minutes. Now we'll find out. Is 20 minutes enough to give it a smoky flavor? And how does it taste? So we'll bring in our taste tester, Gabby. All right, she's going in. Be careful, probably hot.
Really good flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a little longer for a little more smoke.
Okay.
But it does have very mild smoke taste to it.
Yeah, I understand that from being out there for 20 minutes. So if you want a smokier taste, you can use a smoke tube out there when you're doing it for 20 minutes, or leave it in longer. I think looking at it, it probably could have withstood another 10, 15 minutes.
And you'd probably taste more of the smoke by then.
Mm-hmm.
But it does have a nice, very subtle smoke taste to it.
Okay, and the flavor's good, huh?
Flavor's great.
Fantastic. There you go. Another Super Bowl worthy treat. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed what you saw today. Hey, why don't you leave us a comment, tell us where you're watching from, and until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.